I'm going to show you a little variations of Surya Namaskar. So Surya Namaskar not only improves your balance, your posture, it improves your digestive system, it improves your nervous system, and it's a great calorie burner if you're looking for weight loss. Let's start with the workout now. Inhale, exhale while you round your arms into a deep Namaskar. Inhale, arch back, look behind, curve in the back. Inhale, bend forward. As a beginner, you can always bend your knees, touch your head on the knees and put your palms on the floor. Now, this is the fourth position. We take our right feet back, right knee touching the floor, look up. And your toes can be parallel to the ground. Now, the first variation in this Surya Namaskar, we take the arm up. While staying in this position, you can always breathe normal without holding your breath. Left hand up. Right hand up again. Make sure you're breathing normal, not holding your breath. Left hand up again. Now we move into the fifth position, Chaturanga. We hold our breath in this position and you look ahead. Now drop your knees, chest forward on the floor while you exhale, lifting your hip up. You move into the Bhujangasana. There's a slight bend at your elbows as you can see, and the feet are stacked together. And you have inhaled in this position. While you go into the mountain, you exhale. Now lift your right leg up to the left side. And vice versa. Lift your left leg up to the right side. Do not hold your breath while you're doing any variation in the Surya Namaskar. Go back into the mountain. On your tippy toes, tailbone facing the ceiling. Now get your right leg forward between your hands. Left leg forward. Bend down. Slowly uncurl your back. Arch back and release. Make sure while you do your sun salutation, whenever you expand your chest, you are inhaling. Whenever you're contracting your chest, you're always exhaling. And while doing any variation during the sun salutations, you do not need to hold your breath. You just have to keep breathing normal. So I hope you loved it, you enjoyed it, this variation of Surya Namaskar, which you can easily practice at home. I'm Saloni Ramani,